Hey everybody, it's Dr. Dave here at Kalkstein Chiropractic. I've got Michael here today. Just finishing up a hard day of work. He's been running around helping people all day. Wants to get his back adjusted, get it feeling better for tomorrow so he can come back and do the same thing again, right?
Absolutely.
Anything in particular bugging you?
Nothing in particular. You may remember me from the gluteal tendinopathy video from a few weeks ago with Dr. Jonathan, where we diagnosed my extremely tight hips, so that probably contributes to all this. But no immediate pain, but I definitely love like a routine snap, crackle, pop. So
Staying ahead of it. Okay,
Exactly.
Let's get it done. All right, step up here. Face down, anything in your pockets?
empty.
Okay. It's the first time I've adjusted Michael, so we're just going to check everything, tender spots, range of motion, a little motion in here or lack of motion.
Probably a lot of lack of motion.
Start here in the mid-back, take a nice deep breath in, and out. Good. Oh yeah. Deep breath, and out.
Oh, baby. That's a good one.
Up your head over here. Let's have you on your side, the setup.
I always want to help here, but I don't really know what to do.
No, the
I'm
best
just going to
thing-
let myself dangle off the side.
That's a good idea. Perfect. Come up this way. Oh, there you go. Other side.
Nice. That was sneaky.
Getting a lot of motion in Michael's spine here.
Here we are.
He's gonna sleep great tonight.
Oh yeah.
On your back. Last up, check the neck. Breathe in.
Found him.
Drop. All right, all tuned up. How's that feel?
Very good.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely.
That was
Yeah, good adjustment.